Congratulations, you've made it to part 3. It's tough. It's not going to be easy, but you can do it. And here's the best part. When you're done, you're going to feel accomplished. And actually, I lied. That's not the best part. The best part is you're actually learning a real life skill with this problem, okay? You have a budget. You have 2 different stores. They have different prices. You're going to have to do that. I do that all the time. The other day, I was looking for a Redskins jersey of my favorite player. So I went on Amazon.com and compared the price with NFL.com and Redskins.com, and I was kind of comparing prices, okay? When I go and buy school supplies in the end of the year, I go and look at Lakeshore, I go and look at Family Dollar, Walmart, different things, and I try to find the best deal. And when I do that, I use math, and the best part is I save money. And then when I save money, I can go reward myself maybe with some ice cream, or if I really am feeling good, I'll put more of that money into making me better. I read books or maybe pay for a course, okay? But we're not going to get into all that, okay? But that's just kind of a real life thing. The first thing you're going to need to do, okay, is you're going to kind of make your sentence frame. But that would be really difficult for this because you would have to say, at Discount Supplies, it costs this much for colored pencils. So instead of doing 16 different sentences, because there's 8 items in 2 locations, I want you to make a chart now with all the items and then both stores, something that you can, as you go, you can put in your chart. So we're going to make the chart, and then we're going to go solve problems, and then, like we said, inch by inch. After we solve one problem, we'll go put it in our chart. We'll go to the next thing. And we're going to have to do that 16 different times. So right now, I want you to pause it and go make your chart. Did you do it? Really? Make sure it makes sense, because I don't want to just show you mine. I know you're looking for mine. Might start charging for this. You're still waiting to see mine. Did you actually make yours? I don't want to. I'm 2 minutes and 13 seconds in now. If I see you at 2 minutes and 35 seconds looking at my chart and copying it down, I'm not going to be too happy. All right, and that goes for Mrs. K's class too, or anybody else watching this, because I want you to be independent. All right, and I realize now, I said 2 minutes and 35 seconds. I'm not quite there yet, so I've been stalling for that time. But now I'm there. I'm going to show you my chart. All right, so this is my chart here. It's simple, but I'm going to be able to do it. I put the item, and I listed those from this paper. As you can see, it's the same for both stores. The prices are the thing different. The only thing I have to do here is I have to put the price for Discount Supplies and Office Den. So I'll figure that out for colored pencils. All right, now what you can do is up to you how you start to tackle this, okay? You want to come up with a plan though, okay? There's 2 different ways that I think work really well. But I want you to think about, I want you to pause and think about what is your plan that you're going to do to start to fill in these different areas of the chart. Pause it and come up with a plan. All right, so the couple ways I thought of that might be best is I could figure out, look at colored pencils, okay? They're my first one here. For Discount Supply, I could figure out, hey, what is, I gotta go back to, I can't remember what it is right now, but we're not gonna worry about that now. Figure it out for Discount Supply, and then figure out colored pencils for the other one. I think it's like 10 colored pencils. That's what I think it is. I could do that, and then I could go up here and put colored pencils, Discount Supplies, Office Den. Or what I did, okay, and you can do it either way, I found out all of Discount Supplies and all of Office Den, okay? And actually on my chart that I had, I added one more category, okay, down at the bottom. And this was the total cost. I'll have to add all those up, and the total cost, okay? So you might want to add those onto your chart. All right, so this chart is going to start to fill up. If you're thinking, oh, I'm going to fill all 16 really quickly, you got it wrong, okay? It's going to take some time. We're going to get through that, though, okay? So I'm going to kind of go through. I'm going to put videos up, and you can kind of pick and choose which ones you're going. They're going to be labeled, whether it's colored pencils, office den, or supply boxes, discount supply. So you can kind of go through. I really, really highly recommend that you try to find these out on your own. And make sure you're using your estimating skills. Some of these use some decimals. It gets a little bit tough. And the hardest part is the bonuses. Okay, don't forget about that. The first time, I'll tell you, the first time I went through, I did it without the bonuses, and I made a huge mistake. I got it, my final answer, and I was at like $170 some or something like that. I was like, or $160 some. I was way over budget. I said, what happened? I feel like I should be under budget here. And I realized I didn't take into account the bonuses. Okay, we'll talk about that in another video. All right, good luck. I know you can do this. Do one at a time. You guys rock.